pictures on the gram and at you bitches. Secure the bag, lifestyle, real expensive.
Hey guys, it's Saturday and it's like rainy outside, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all real quick. Didn't we have like minimum wage go up for fast food workers? As you all know, I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. So I'm like starving. I went into work for a couple hours for overtime, and then I'm getting my nails done. So I have time in between the two to stop and grab something to eat real quick. So I went to Wendy's and I ordered some french fries. And I get to the pickup window and I ask nicely, can I have some ketchup? Because nowadays, if you don't ask for condiments, they won't give them to you at all. So you'll have fries with no ketchup or anything. So, I was real polite and I had asked for some ketchup. And she rolled her eyes so hard and like gave me like a handful of ketchup and just like put them on my hand. Some even fell out onto the ground. I was just like, thank you, have a good day. Like, I'm not gonna be rude, but it just baffles me. Like, this is your job. You applied to work at a fast food place. I understand that y'all do not provide condiments if someone doesn't ask, but if they ask, why is it any trouble to you to get an attitude or huff and puff or roll your eyes? Like, what is the issue, Mom? Like, damn, like, she rolled her eyes so hard, I thought that, like, she would have rolled them into the back of her head and they would have got stuck hard, like, and she just, like, I got, like, a medium fry. She gave me, like, a whole handful and just, like, here you go, like, onto my hand. Didn't care if they dropped, if I caught them, nothing, like, and closed the window. I was like, I'm having a good week, so I'm fine. Like, I'm cool. I got my french fries, got my ketchup, but I just had to come on here and tell you that, like, these fast food workers, y'all supposed to be making $15 an hour. Y'all need to lose some attitudes, girl. Like, nobody made you work at a fast food place. Like, if you're having a bad day, that's not my issue. You know what I mean? Like, get it together, sis. So, hey guys, happy Monday. It is that time. New week, new goals, new priorities, new mood. I'm just about to go into class. Today's Monday, February 12th. Not really feeling it today. I got mints in my mouth, sorry. I had a good chill weekend. I stayed in, did my YouTube video for a Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you haven't seen it, definitely check that out. And I just studied for class. But since I had some time before class, I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys because I feel like I'm always like on the go. And I don't really like chit chat with y'all. But something is on my mind that I wanted to share with y'all. It's like when you're a good person and you go out of your way to be good to other people and treat people, how you would expect to be treated, and you just care for people genuinely with nothing in return. And especially like family members, you would do anything at the drop of a dime and you'll always be there for them. No matter if they expected it or if they do expect it, you'll do anything you can to help them, whether that be financially or just like a listening ear. And it's like sometimes you want to treat people how they treat you, but it's not in your character. Like for you to like extend a helping hand or a listening ear and they just like shit on you, you just be like, maybe I should just cut them off. Maybe I should just say F them and don't deal with them. But it's like, that's your family. So it's like, two wrongs don't make a right. But at the end of the day, you can't help someone that don't want to be helped. And it's like, how you see someone, they don't see that in themselves. So it's just like, when you want good for a person, they have to want that for themselves. You can't make someone do better or do the right thing. They have to want to do better or do the right thing for themselves. So I just wanted that to be today's motto of the day, or today's Monday motivation, since I didn't do a blog post. But just keep that in mind. And it's just like when someone's going through something and they treat you fucked up or shitty, or they, you know, you feel like they're just out of character, don't take it personal. You know, understand that maybe they just need love from a distance, and you just need to handle them with the long-ended spoon and just let them be. You know, be there for them when they need you, but, you know, on your time, but at the same time, don't rush them to seek help, or don't rush them to get their shit together. You know what I mean? Timing is everything, and people will do things on their own time, and people need to see things for themselves. So, yeah.
Well, I can like distribute it in different places, but I am going to start with her arm. Let me just rub it on her, okay? And the point is to exfoliate the dead skin cells off her, okay? Feels weird. It's going to feel really weird. I try not to let the skin make contact with the actual bed. Same thing like, you know, with doing facials. You could, however, it just gets a little bit more messy, and you'll see why I recommend just sticking with the towels. Because I changed the towels. I end up changing the towels. And it'll be really hard to change it with the sheet. You know what I mean? You'll see. Once I get the changing, you'll see. So what makes you most comfortable, honestly. Some people about to get baked. Just like a chicken. Alright, I hope you're not claustrophobic, are you?
I was just gonna say, I don't know if I could get one of these.
This is
yeah,
this is not for someone who's claustrophobic.
Yeah, I'm not comfortable looking at you.
And I'm still not done.
Something else goes on. What you got, a Mac?
It's a part.
Turn up, Natalie. Turn up. So we're done with class, and we did our routes today. And now Natalie is going out tonight.
Spirit. To see us soon. I'm so excited.
And she's going to take pictures
Yes.
and eat pizza. She's giving up all dairy tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what made you give up dairy?
So hard. Huh?
Do you eat meat, right?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So is it for good or just like for
Just
a couple
for the
months?
kids.
Oh, for Lent.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Okay.
if it like sticks with me, I'll keep it forever, I guess.
Yeah.
But it'll be hard.
I can't do it. I like cheese
cheese.
and cereal and cheese eggs. But yeah. See you guys tomorrow. But I don't want to read. Yeah, okay. What does it say?
If I had makeup on, I'll take everything else off.
Yeah. And with the new moon, we should plant new beginning, a new seed. So she gets extra, like, whatever you see. Wait, seriously? No, I'm serious. I'm not playing. Whatever you see. You got it. She had a
We just had pizza for Valentine's Day, and we're both like. Natalie's over here drinking her moonshine. Yes.